Now coming to mechanism of labor, we won't go into too much detail. All of you have your own mnemonics to remember, but remember this, remember the order. Every darn fool in Egypt royally eats raw eggs. The first step is engagement. That is when the largest diameter of the fetus, the largest transverse diameter of the pelvis enters or crosses the pelvic inlet. This is the biparietal diameter in cephalic presentation. Okay, and this is engagement. The next is descent. Remember, descent is put as the second step, but it is actually a continuous process happening throughout. Okay, it's not like it's happened and then stopped. No, it will continuously happen till the baby comes out. Then you have flexion. That is, the flexion of the head is most important because the diameter becomes smaller and smaller. The baby becomes more compact. Then internal rotation happens at the level of the ischial spine. Okay, and this will be in a direction in such a way that it becomes occipito-anterior. So if it is LOA, it will move by 45 degree to become occipito-anterior. If it is LOT, it will move by 90 degree to become occipito-anterior. So this is the amount of rotation that happens. Then you have extension. So the head is born by extension. Okay. And I'm talking about left occipito-anterior, which is the most common position we have. So the head is born by extension. And then what happens? Restitution happens. That is untwisting of the twisted head. Okay. So the head will move back by or untwist by 45 degrees because now it's free of the pelvis. And then what's happening is the shoulders now enter the pelvis and are undergoing internal rotation. So if the shoulders move, the head is also going to move. How do we know the shoulders are going internal rotation? Is when we see external rotation of the head. So by 45 degree, the head is going to rotate. And then finally, the body will come out. First, the anterior shoulder is delivered. Then the posterior shoulder is delivered.